Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim, this is Rachel, and we are standing, we've been here before, but we're standing in the gorgeous, on its way to fully renovated lobby at the Historic Homes Theater. And so yeah, I'm joined today, Rachel, we have some fun things happening as we are going into the middle of May. Can you believe it?
I know, we are gearing up for summer. Seems like it took forever to get here, and now it's here, and it seems like it's already going to pass.
Yeah.
So,
there you go.
But we have a lot of stuff going on this summer, and we're kind of starting it out with our auditions for our month-long summer musical.
Okay.
And the auditions are coming soon. They are May 22nd and 24th, and they are for Matilda Jr.
Very fun.
Yes, we have had so much fun with these month-long summer camps. You know,
it's like an experience.
Right.
It's like, yeah, it's really cool.
We've done Annie Jr., we've done James and the Giant Peach Jr., now we're doing Matilda.
Yeah.
So if you have a child between grades 5 through 12 who is interested in being in that month-long program, they have so much fun.
Yeah.
Get them registered for a time slot to audition.
Yeah, that's awesome. And they do need to register for a time slot. So if you have grandkids and stuff like that, nieces, nephews, things like that, you have options for them as well.
We're also starting in June, we have our Tuesdays in the Park. That is starting June 1st, and that is every Tuesday night. Free music out in the city park. Come and bring a blanket, a chair, and just sit down and enjoy some free music.
Yeah, that's so great, and there's such a variety of opportunities, variety of music and musical talent and stuff like that in the area. It's not just Detroit Lakes, and although there's a lot from Detroit Lakes, but there's a nice variety throughout Minnesota that come and have this experience at the band shell.
Yep.
So.
And we also are bringing back the Thursdays Trucks and Tunes.
Okay.
Food trucks and music. If you go on our website, you will see everything that we have laid out for this summer, from shows in the theater, art classes, stuff for kids to do, music workshops, theater camps. Just
everything. Go
go on to dlccc.org and see all that and get signed up and registered so you can keep yourself and your kids busy this
there
summer.
You go. So lots of fun experiences, and the cool thing again, the Tuesdays in the Park is weather permitting, but my gosh, it is so cool, and it's a nice little ridge to sit on, so it's really fun, and like you said, it's free, so get on out and enjoy that. As far as the fitness side goes, we are also looking at going outside. We are expanding our fitness classes. We continue to expand them. We are in person. We are fully functional in-person classes and things. There are some size restrictions because of the spaces that we're using, but we are fully functional, so we're really excited. But we are looking at moving some things outside also. So we're moving from hikes to bicycling. We have some outdoor treks with Tracy that she's taking people out on. Those are happening. Our Engage program is doing some other extra activities outside. And like I said, our fitness classes, many of them are going to be moving outdoors with some yoga and some other things, just like we did last summer, but even in a more expanded way. So we have some indoor, some outdoor. We still have some things out there on Zoom and Facebook Live, so please check those out. Even if you're not a member, those things you can experience at this point, so keep enjoying that. If you are interested in coming in, our lap swimming and water walking and open swim and swim lessons for kids are all happening in our pool. Our water fitness classes are going, and it's super fun to be in there. We also, Marianne Evans donated some ferns to us. So normally those are just in the winter, but we now have ferns year round, which is just fantastic. And so it's really lovely to see those in the windows in the pool area. It just makes it so much fun. And then also, as far as we have some new equipment and things that we got last month. We have a treadmill, we have a new kind of cross trainer thing that helps with your lateral movement and things. And then we also have this really cool equipment in the corner that maybe we'll get Sally to do a demo in the next few weeks. So we'll see that in the corner. It's a ropes thing and a punching bag and things like that. So there's lots of fun things over there as I'm, boxing.
Getting ready.
Anyway, exactly. So lots of great things to check out and experience. We also have all of our youth programming, our baseball, t-ball, happy bat, softball, etc., etc., etc. So check it all out on our website at www.dlccc.org, and we'll see you again next week on Backstage Pass.